Yeah, a lot of people say it's overpriced at the moment. Others, like yourself, still continuously buying. How do you feel about that? Is it saturated, overpriced, or?
It depends what's the project behind the NFTs. Because the first wave for the NFTs is about the profile picture. People buy the NFT like CryptoPunk, KuCats or Penguin. They use this as a profile pic, and then they change the profile pic. But then for NFT now there's a lot of new projects. Like people can use the NFT doing charity. I've seen one project is very interesting. You can buy a NFT of a tree, and then that organization would promise after you bought the NFT of that tree, I would plant one, etc. Also, some NFT they actually have a roadmap. They might be making a game out of it, and then also maybe they will make comics out of it. So it all depends like what's the project behind the NFT, and some of the NFTs actually like now we're talking about GameFi, and that's a really exciting area. But honestly, for the first wave for the profile pic type NFT, there's a lot of projects going on every day. But I'll recommend people if they want to invest in the profile pic type NFT, just go with the blue chips. Go with CryptoPunks, go with Bored Ape, Penguin or KuCat, something like that.
Yeah, a lot of people say it's overpriced at the moment. Others,
Yeah.
like yourself, still continuously buying. How do you feel about that?
It all depends like how you look at overpriced because for us like for example CryptoPunk or Bored Ape, they're the most successful the NFT project at the moment. So when you look at the future, like if NFTs still goes off, GameFi goes off, Metaverse goes off, all related to NFT. So Punk or Bored Ape, they would definitely have a historical status. So when people think about NFT, they know CryptoPunk is the first successive project. So we think, it would definitely have a status in the history, and it will retain its value.